Welcome to the in front of me Honor X7, and I'll show you how to change icon's shape with the X Icon Changer app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search pool we should enter the X Icon Changer. And now we should get this application. That's why just tap here to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. Now just tap here to open the app. And click here continue tab. Now just here we should select one from the applications. For example, let's use the phone app. We can select our new icon from this folders with the default icons. Also we can use photo from our device gallery, and we can take a picture right now in camera app. For example, let's use this icon. Click here on the right upper corner. After that, now just we should skip the videos here. And now we should add here to our home screen. We can go now to the desktop or change the next icon by the same way. And that's it. So now we can see the new phone application icon here, and this is the old one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.